Hello my billionaire family, welcome to another tutorial. Today tutorial will be on this satin gele. So I just place a small cap on my head, then put like a tie inside for it to make my head to be like a little bit full or big. So this is the satin I'll be using. So the joining of this satin is like 2 yard, so I cut it like into 3, then I give it to my tailor to join it for me. So after that I just place the gele, place the satin on my head, then cross it. Now I'll be tying it at the back. After that I'll come back to the front. Now I'm very sorry about, if you even see in the video you will notice that my face is a bit dull, but I just have to be doing gele. I really need the money now. I beg, please don't skip apps. So my beautiful billionaire family, I beg, help your girl by watching all the apps, so please. And I'm a little bit strong, so that is why if my voice is a bit down, I'm very sorry about that. So I just start by crossing the gele because the length is very long. I'm very sorry. Maybe in the next other one I will show you the measurements of the length. I'll be posting another one that I tied on someone. That one is a bit even much more beautiful than this one, but like 3 people request it for me to tie it on my head so that it will be easier for them to tie it. So that's why I decided to tie it on my own head. So I'll be using like office pin to pin it down there. So please just enjoy the rest of the video. I will talk to you in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, share my video with your loved ones, and also subscribe. God bless you as you do so. Bye.